Here are some images of clusters of galaxies. They're these huge collections of galaxies bound together by their mutual gravity. So most of the points that you see on the screen are not individual stars, but collections of stars or galaxies. Now, by showing you some of these images, I hope that you will quickly see that galaxy clusters are these beautiful objects. But more than that, I think galaxy clusters are mysterious, they're surprising, and they're useful as the universe's most massive laboratories. And as laboratories, to describe galaxy clusters is to describe the experiments that you can do with them. And I think there are four major types, and the first type that I want to describe is probing the very big. So, how big? Well, here is an image of a particular galaxy cluster. It is so massive that the light passing through it is being bent, it's being distorted by the extreme gravity of this cluster. And in fact, if you look very carefully, you'll be able to see rings around this cluster. Now, to give you a number, this particular galaxy cluster has a mass of over 1 million billion suns. It's just mind-boggling how massive these systems can get. But more than their mass, they have this additional feature. They are essentially isolated systems. So if we like, we can think of them as a scaled-down version of the entire universe. And many of the questions that we might have about the universe at large scales, such as how does gravity work, might be answered by studying these systems. So that was very big. The second thing is very hot. Okay, if I take an image of a galaxy cluster and I subtract away all of the starlight, what I'm left with is this big blue blob. This is in false color. It's actually X-ray light that we're seeing. And the question is, if it's not galaxies, what is emitting this light? The answer is hot gas, million-degree gas. In fact, it's plasma. And the reason why it's so hot, the extreme gravity of these systems is accelerating particles of gas to great speeds. And great speeds means great temperatures. So this is the main idea. But science is a rough draft. There are many basic properties about this plasma that still confuse us, still puzzle us, and still push our understanding of the physics of the very hot.